Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm going to talk about all the questions that have been asked by the people those who are into passive affiliate profits training by Judge Crawford. And here good thing is that answer to all the questions have been given by directly Judge Crawford in Facebook group. So I'm gonna show you what answers that he has given to the question that have been asked by the people those who have joined passive affiliate profits. But before telling this, I just want to say that if you are a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In that ebook I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. So go and check out my ebook. Down below there is a link, right? So now here, without any delay, let me show you what are the questions that people have asked and what are the answers that Judge Crawford have given in Facebook group. So you can see that Judge Crawford, right? So first question was, what is the difference between $7 course and any other course, right? So here $7 course is what my competitors charge $1,000 to $2,500 for. I designed it this way on purpose. Most $7 course challenges just give you a bunch of information on what you could do and then leave you hanging unless you pay $2,000 plus or more. Yeah, it happens so many times. If you go and buy any training that is of $7 or $9, yes, you will get overall idea that how things gonna work, but whenever you need any help you don't find anybody, right? You don't get any support, right? So I just decided to give you the $2,000 course to give you massive value and let you see what it's like to be a customer and do business with me. You could literally make 100k plus with what I give you. Wow, that's really great. Now second question that was asked by someone, do I need to purchase anything else after $7? Yes and no. I designed it so you can get results even if you are truly broke and can't afford to spend any more money. I also give you options if you want to do things at a higher level and have money to invest. I do have higher level coaching programs, but I understand these are not for everyone. You will have the option to join my higher level program if you see value in them, but it's not required. Yes, when you join passive affiliate profits training, then yes, inside there is a link where you can book the call if you want to go with higher ticket coaching program or higher level program. So it's up to you, right? So now third question, is there a guarantee I will make money or get results? No, absolutely not. I can't guarantee you results, and no one can regardless of what they tell you. I don't make bogus guarantees. I will pay you thousands of dollars if you don't get results or if I waste your time. People who do this are the scum of the industry and they are preying on your greed. Read the fine print. 99% of these guarantees have ridiculous terms, hoops and backflips you must go through, and you still will never get what you are promised. If you want someone who has made millions with affiliate marketing and helped others make millions with affiliate marketing, I'm your guy. If you want someone who has a track record of doing this for 9 years plus, I'm your guy. If you want someone who will tell you exactly what you need to do without all the BS, I'm your guy. If you want someone who will promise you the world and make you ridiculous promises they can never back up, save your $7. The only person who can guarantee your success is yourself by putting in the work and sticking with it until you get results. Yeah, that's true, right? That's true. Now fourth question, can I do this without promoting your products? Yes, you absolutely can. I designed this program to give you the information you need to promote any product you want successfully. All I ask is, once you get results, remember who helped you and provide me a testimonial I can use in my business. It would be much appreciated. Now fifth question, will there be any one-on-one coaching? There is no way I can offer one-on-one support for just $7. It would exhaust my team and me. In order to be able to help you at a high level, to review your work, answer all your questions, and for me to give 110% of myself, I need to be paid well. Would you work 40 plus hours a week if people only pay $7. Me neither. But with that being said, I give you everything you need to get results. If you implement the plan I give you, I am 100% confident it will work well for you. I even back it up with a lifetime guarantee. I am so confident. If you are not happy with what you paid for, I don't want your money. My goal is to create more 6 and 7 figure earners, and the reason I created this program is it helps me do that. I know that if you apply what I teach you, that you will get amazing results and you will continue to be my customer because you want to keep leveling up. So it's a win-win for both of us. I did my best to answer the questions I keep receiving. If I miss something, just let me know. Wishing you the best. So these are the questions that he got from the people, those who have joined this passive affiliate profits training, and he has personally answered to all the questions inside the Facebook groups, right? So these were the questions and these were the answers. And yes, if you have any other questions except all these questions, then yes, do let me know in the comment section. I will try my level best to answer you. And yes, if I don't find the answer, then yes, definitely I will put your answer in the group, or I will directly send them the email so that I can get the answer, right? So yep, so these are the, you can say, latest updates, or you can say these are the questions where people have asked about this training, and Judge Crawford has personally answered to some of the questions, right? So yep, that's it for today. And yes, if you have any questions, yes, you can ask your questions. And yeah, one more thing, yep, if you haven't joined this training, I would highly recommend you please go and join this training so that you can learn how to build a solid income, or how to generate full-time income online in 27 days or less. So with this training, you are going to learn everything about affiliate marketing, everything about high ticket commission, mean to say how you can get high ticket commission by promoting other people's stuff, right? So yep, if you are serious, then yes, go and join this training. And yes, if you join this training using my link, then yes, I will give you my personal coaching for 1 hour. Its value is $997. So yes, if you are serious, then yes, go and join this training using my affiliate link. Down below I have put the link, you can go and check out. And yes, once you join this training using my affiliate link, just send me your receipt at my email address, that is support@affiliatecommissionsecrets.com, or you can also connect with me on Facebook, right? So that's it for today. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go and subscribe to my channel, and down below there is also bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.